Vanakkam guys, how are you all? Welcome back to Vastranand. Missed you all a lot, and that's the reason we have come up with this very nice banarsi silk catalog for today's video. It is going to be a lovely pattu sari. Look at the one that I'm wearing. Nice color. You're going to find this dark blue, Ferozi kind of a shade, and then you have this pink border over here filled with zari work. Well, I'll show you the details properly. Also, all the other color combinations that we have in this particular design itself, I'll show. You have to be till the end of the video for that, alright? Do not go anywhere. Like, share and subscribe. Also, press the bell icon so you guys get the notifications on time. Let us begin with today's video. So, here is the first color option that I have for you. A dark pink shade with this dark blue color over here. Okay, so now I'll have to come a little closer to show you the details. First is the top border filled with golden zari work. It has peacocks in the design. Now, the main body of the sari. So, in the main body, you're going to find such small patches of golden zari work throughout. And then coming to the main border, which is the bottom border of the sari, it is going to be divided into three parts. So the first is going to be this border, the lower border filled with peacocks. The center one is going to be a blue border, and then comes this one, which is going to be again same to this border. So a very broad, nice pattu sari over here. Let's open this one up. The fabric is going to be banarsi silk, as I told already. Here it is. Look at this rich pallu. At the end, you'll find pink tassels of thread like this. Then here is your full body of the sari. Also guys, as we deal in wholesale and retail both orders, you can anytime give us a call on the contact number on your screen. Second option is downloading the application Vastranand, which works for both iOS and Android. So here comes the blouse material with this sari, which is going to be a blue blouse material, same to the border. Now comes the next color combination, which is a navy blue with red. Again, very dark, nice, bright, solid colors over here. So this is going to be the rich pallu of this sari, filled with lots and lots of zari work. You can see so beautiful it is looking. You'll find red tassels like this at the end. This is the main body of your entire sari. Perfect for wedding, for reception, for any event. And then here is this red blouse material that you'll find along with the sari. So now let me show you the next color option that we have. Very beautiful green with a red border. So it is going to be a vibrant, bright sari, very eye-catching. And banarsi silk makes it very, very soft to be worn quickly. Here, this is going to be a rich pallu. Look at the weaving. The zari weaving is very beautiful. At the end, you will find red tassels like this throughout. Now the tassel, guys, it is going to be made of thread. So it is a tassel over here. And this is going to be the main body of your sari. Perfect for any morning function because the colors are very bright, beautiful. Here is the look. And as I always say, it is going to be very affordable, guys. Now, if you want to know the price, you have to download our application Vastranand. Download it quickly, works for both iOS and Android. This is going to be your blouse material with the zari border. Now, let me show you the other color option that we have. It is going to be red with navy blue. So let's open this up. Here comes your pallu. It is going to be again same pallu. All the saris are going to be same. It's just that you'll have different color combinations. So here's the pallu. Here comes the main body of the sari. And then along with this, you will get this blouse material in navy blue with the border. Next color is going to be light blue with this purple color over here. Again, lovely colors. Also guys, as we deal in not only retail but wholesale orders as well, use the contact number on your screen, give us a call, message us, WhatsApp us, and we'll be at your service. So here's the pallu, and this is going to be the main body of your sari. And with this, you will be getting blouse in the same color of the border, which is this. Next color that we are having is going to be wine color, which is so trending with navy blue. Lovely pattu sari. Opening it up. Also guys, we dispatch your orders very quickly and it reaches to you within 7 to 10 days. And when it comes to wholesale orders, we make it very sure that we dispatch it very soon. Okay, so here's your pallu. Very trending color combination. And then you'll get the blouse material in blue color with this. Here you go. So now we have the last color combination for this particular video. It is going to be red with yellow. Looks absolutely stunning. Yeah. This is going to be your pallu. Yellow color pallu with main red body of the sari. With this, you'll get yellow blouse material. Here. And the one that I'm wearing is going to be blue with pink. And yes, this is it with today's Banarsi silk sari collection. But as I say always, press the bell icon so that you get all the latest updates on time. And this is it. This is me, Rachna. Bye-bye from Vastranand.